everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Studyship with Krati 2. This is just a quick YT short that I want to do regarding. We are starting our lectures of AECC from Monday, and when I asked that first I should update for English communication or environmental studies. If you want any of these, please tell me in the comment section, because I have already shared that first I wanted to do for AECC, but I'm thinking to start for environmental studies as well. Like अगर मैं Monday को English communication करूँगी, then I'll be doing Tuesday your environmental studies. But उससे भी ज़्यादा important, this time we are going to provide you the notes. So notes of course aren't going to be the handwritten one. These are going to be the type one, because the syllabus जिस हिसाब से change होता है ना, it seriously creates a lot of problem for us to just update those every time. Tell us into our comment section what kind of a notes will you prefer. It's very difficult for us to provide the type written one. We are thinking to provide you the typed one. So if you say yes, typed are going to work for you, do let us know in comment section. And yes, we have already delayed it a lot, but we are starting it from Monday definitely.